His Excellency, the President of our land, I'm so privileged to meet him in this manner. And when we talk about contributions, I believe that my contribution has been very significant in actually winning power for the NDC, I so say. Because everybody has heard, mainly because I'm somebody who really believes in reset. So per my own judgments, I made sure that that music was dropped within a moment where there was some ease in the system, because it was so tensed, and I dropped it in terms of contributions. And before I even spoke, the song in the background was well put together under 24 hours by me and an able team of producers. Cost to the tune of at least $20,000, which that has gone. I've taken care of that already, so that is like something present.
Stonebwoy, boy. Abusia, and then see a free education more. Stonebwoy, a part of it. And then a teacher for Omunyo market here, Stonebwoy, a part of it. Said nurses, Omunyo market here. Sa Stonebwoy, no, he's part of it. Segana kukwe for Omusika, yen tumin fam momo because of mismanagement. Stone kwasia boy, or you're part of it. And now Menoka say dumso asanya ba u area na untumi enya light emfa nya juma enna ho emfa momframa emfa nya unyuma. Stonebwoy, boy, okaho bi we eye ono ankasa nanumasem. Stone say nenyom na ode ba ye na anu ye na okofa ba ye no o say eye orchestrated song or share da e prepare ye say or the babitu MPP amanyuko no afira konwam wanga sauti no wasum na I don't know why you say asem mpeni pa o enipa ne pene ho asem ho ya mpeni pa o asem mpeni pa Semon penny po na nipa na penny ho asem wate. Enti sana yede nam ho nyina. Upon all what Nanado and the MPP government did in power, Emma actors in the country. Munya kwenya Emma mohoso globally. Sana Stonebwoy nadwunim. And then when I'm talking about this, man can't tell me say I'm making the year of return. The year of return, December GH. Me mama Monica be mwako abapa. December GH. The year of return, December DH. Afrochella. All these initiatives were initiatives, Minister of Tourism and Culture, and I introduce you under Nanado Danko Kufuado administration. Sa event, no, and then they put to Ghanaian music to the global market. Sa event, no, and then the local artists or more Ghana Maimu December Edra Omutumi cash out a lot of money. But Stonebwoy say, even though he was enjoying, but enam so yen DC ninti or sheda etna se trenyum ebody tia MPP amanyuku no said the ebeya ombefira konwam. Foolishness. The year pa ono na eka o me manka says ebia na Stonebwoy or NDC no ono na eka o see I contributed to the NDC winning power in 2024 with a song or share that prepare and now drop on getting to the voting time ono na eka tio MPP abanya obetra nkonwa so creative artists na asefo ye promote mu to the level say ene mu ye millionaires ye ura na do MPP abanyo ku odi the year of return bar system mu enam so ma the black Americans Jamaicans Jamaican my people now if you come back home here omo ba fie ne mo belenke ya enam so ma be ye famous no the greedy Stonebwoy the importance and what actually the MPP government did for the artists in the country. Now, if an ordinary Ghanaian etnasina or condemn what happened in 2022 and 2023, now okay say nanado danko kufuado na anye na juma year, I have no problem with it because or your ordinary person only access to outside. But who beat is our Stonebwoy. I'll run all the group. Unim the course so COVID, Ukraine, Russia war they happen everywhere in the world. Now to me katawani, I want to say the way Jimmy for. Now we condemn a government or no nam no swa mumunya access to the global market. Jimmy. So ya wu na wa Jimmy a ya si prako ubetime dware ne 70 times ubetime dware ne 70 times uja na odene ho koto atechem. These are the people or see he sang the song na anu ye na kokofa ba yo ene no anu jejereje or see he did it just to push NPP away from power. Listen to the video again and we continue.
To His Excellency the President of our land, I'm so privileged to meet him in this manner. And when we talk about contributions, I believe that my contribution has been very significant in actually winning power for the NDC, I so say. Because everybody has heard, mainly because I'm somebody who really believes in reset. So per my own judgment, I made sure that that music was dropped within a moment where there was some ease in the system because it was so tensed, and I dropped it in terms of contributions. And before I even spoke, the song in the background was well put together under 24 hours by me and an able team of producers. Cost to the tune of at least $20,000, which that has gone. I've taken care of that already, so that is like something present.
But what in year pow? Where you manumu asem? Stonebwoy semen control so you NDC ni. Ono ne boy nyom emayedi 2 MPP amanyokuo ai. Mimi a park me mwako abapa. Ono share that boy nyom di 2 MPP amanyokuo no. Even though he benefited a lot indirectly from the MPP government. Jimmy. Why go amend them? Why go? What happened, man? Why? You come a batty man? Yeah, why go and say? Now I want to ask one question to my friend, Stonebwoy. Why go? Now man a batty man? Hey, a bomb clad boy them. Ask them for me, man. Them. Call him if he come here. I want to ask that guy, what happened, man? Now what thing come into your mind, bro? Huh? Now Batman you come to. Foolishness. Yentu asiri yenko ye nim Stonebwoy or ye Jimmy for person na mnim say we Jimmy sir. Na mnim say Stonebwoy we Jimmy sir. Yentu aso still in the artist side. Yentu ado.
I'm on a payroll with His Excellency John Mahama. Since he started work, every month I go collect something small from him pay inside. So when they pay him, they pay me.
So what you? Oh, hey, I wonder, hey. I wonder how come say hey in other countries wo okoha enkrofo mo agidin no Enkrofo mo agidin no. Ewo man no. They completely, even if they associate, so omo de omo ho bata man yosem ho a, omo nye enkrofo omo edidi wa man yosem mu. But I don't understand why in our country called Ghana, enkrofo omo agidin a, nke wo se nko omo nye self-sufficient to provide for themselves, you know, all of a sudden. Omo ye enkrofo no omo ye the parasite of our economy. Because ampanyi we asema oka. Jimini, what you be YouTube, only miska obenya di. Enkwasiafo mu di wachi nyina. You are still dependent on the political what. Hey, this is Jimmy, we a producer, I could see you saying, are you not ashamed? A grown-ass man, catch you say you are dependent on the president. Abaning a tiawoka, onye jumabia, kurasini. Enti Jimmy be say, uhuno not radio so, not tiam. And this, now doing say, yeah, the papa bin and this ya bind the brewa obwa. He's talking about his stomach. And he said, okay, or the pay also. Mahama Pianeka every month for not doing nothing. Why no person made a yome full no? When they pay him, he pays mobwa. And your chronosika, you are part of those men. Yama Ferris Usukwa Chikwasi and 70 million Ghana cedis on for Piamoka. Hey, guys, these guys, you are very funny. Obam abrochiri hanoma. Enkrofone from VIP. Anase from men, recognized men, famous people, no? They generate income for themselves and sometimes they even donate money to the political parties. But you kuro munkwa there. A Jimmy Fonu nyina, they all depend on politicians. And Tuba now build Ghana to become America. Now pushi sikan kugu omu bottom daletira. They will hate you and they will do everything to get you out of office. This is what happened to the MPP. Yes, MPP are more than home modern. Now no kwasi ampanyi na jete power and so and na mesu sa ban we buy your maniska. What the video no?
Are you serious?
That's my guy right there. That's my big brother.
Are you saying?
Him, they chop the pay. And I think for 6 months, his paid income, because I think he dedicated 6 months of his pay to, I think he was doing some Mahama care.
Yes.
So we make our look some way small at the time, but we resumed. You know what I'm saying?
So Mahama pays you at the end of the month.
That's my guy right there, man.
How much a month?
Why you won't know?
Oh,
you won't make IRS come to me. No, man, that's my big brother. It be family matter.
Yeah.
You know, they look after in younger brother. So, you know what I'm saying?
1 year in office, how would you rate Mahama's performance?
400%. You don't have to even think about it.
But uti asema kweka ye. Asem na kweka ye uti ni ye. Tie ni ye pa. Asem ben ena kwai eka ye. Asem akweka ye mantiasi ye. Is he telling me say John Mahama pays him for what work done? Ajuma ben na akwa we otu we why yo dia magana manya ena menu sunti no bosumi bia ye wura John Dariga Dramani Mahama etigana sika edemano. I need an answer. I need a serious answer about this. But these are asem we die efri nipa nankasa num na eba enya me na meka. He is the one saying it. Say Piane Kaposumi Bia. He is being paid yearly. Monthly Pianeka. Adentia Ayandisini. Mimia Guy Thompson, Memoakwaba, Parke Michiao. Yeah, I think yeah. And yes, I think I've greeted everyone. Yeah. And Papa will see Piane Kaposumi Bia because he's an MP NDC person. Yanto Asudenko Yanim. Babam. We have allocated 292 million for sanitary pad to benefit 1,000 girls in Greater Accra. Bigger achievement of Linda Okro, or the mayor or the regional minister for Greater Accra. Obetra konyaso afebaako ene bosome mienu nie no ekomi ensano. Maami we say menka nkyerɛ na wonte ho ase sɛ adwuma awayo ene sɛ omo atumi anya sika no 292 million cedis a omo de koto sanitary pad e de amama bawnsam ema maami ye. Yemona sum anase yemona sum. Yemona ya nasum ana yemona nsam. Bona sum. Achievement no. Bona sum biem. So what? The job that this fucking woman has done. Ajuma mami we yaye. And he say he has bought sanitary pad for 1,000 girls in Accra, Greater Accra. Enti emo yen semano. Na he nkrofo omo yare o. We dey mamemfa picture we nkyerɛw. Mamemfa picture we nkyerɛw. Sama me kro na o se emo yen semano because what sanitary pad amamba no. Where radio. I want to see the budget omo use your omo dey change the name from Kotoka International Airport to Accra International Airport. We picture ni ye. Omo ye careless. Chese kene da ho no kura no. Sika na omo gye ye no. Enso so omo de beto paint. A painti ke no afiri ho. As such a big international airport in the sub-Saharan African area, a destiny to a lot of brains in Africa. Omo ntumi enye sika mpepa ke na afiri ho. Enti basabasa na adwene na wu adwene no awu enti maame ne se bo nsem ma no na me de meke se bonasum e ma no tie yes enti maame ne se ye monasum because we jimi na juma oba ya watumi aye nyina se wato sanitary pad de ama amanfo hey udi agora obesere but to sere so enye yie na we dey me ba na wati asemi moka John Mahama in opposition tie
24-hour economic clock. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. Obiabe Didi. This is the 24-hour economic clock. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. Obiabe Didi.
Why na covered it? Mahama Subedidi. This was when he was in power, when he was in opposition. You want to hear what he's saying today? Listen.
Big push. Apparently, young couple of Bosia will be here the big push.
No, sorry.
Station no. Some of it here. And maybe a tremu. You see, you know, and be try a simple from. Now, at your how can say a buy? Okwa na empty and a sea canopy. Nani party I say. Big push. Apparently, young couple of Bosia will be here the big push. Ya Jessica. Jenny Stampa, ya Jessica. Obiaka Blanca home. Sunjani Outer Ring Road, ya Jessica. And Sikano etaho. It's Makacha contractor for Nina. Say you were Juman Tem, Napa certificate brand new Chioka. And to make us say, a Juma on my big push thing in Meno can say, ye free in crime. Anything out of us in Intimiama or on the office and almost signing almost certificate, say, Omuntiomoka, Kofi Job, Outer Ring Road, the certificate count, Nasaya, Ombetianica. Into a bebo on Humbosia cement and Abibia, my team watcher, and Chebia, Nisika Beba.
I'm saying for video na me boy na ye mistake. Video na person muntie.
Big push.
Okay, well, in any case, Abusanfo said, "I'm making mistake. Me download 2 video bia. Na you Mahama say, "Amam fo nkonko ye juma because